This is the video tutorial for how to build a prior distribution using the RePAIR online tool. To calculate parameters of the prior distribution, click on the Prior tab or the related icon. Prior information can be added in two ways, manually or by uploading a formatted file. For manual prior information upload, insert summary statistics of previous experiments as shown. Previous experiments can be drawn from literature, pilots, or previous studies from your own or other labs. Multiple prior experiments can be added in this same way. You can download the input for future reference or pre-registration. A previously downloaded formatted file can be uploaded, as well as updated by adding further prior experiments. Here, you can visualize the distribution of each experiment separately and of the overall prior distribution. This visualization can be used to choose whether or not to add an experiment in your prior specification. Mistakes in inputting information can be identified in the table. These can be corrected and the results updated. Prior parameters are calculated here below for the main analysis as well as sensitivity analyses, leave one out sensitivity and index range. You can download the output to analyze your new experiment's data or for pre-registration.